Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to create a simple and beautiful cooking web page using HTML. Imagine your mom is launching her own cooking website and you want to support her by creating a recipe page. Exciting, isn't it? Now let's create it step by step. First, open Notepad++ and start with the basic HTML structure and save the file with a .html extension. Type the HTML, head and body tags. Also, give your page a title. Example, cooking web page. Now, let us add the styling. Inside the style tag, we will design our web page. Set the background color of the page to light blue. Make the H2 heading dark blue and center aligned. Make the H3 heading purple. Then style the table with blue borders and light pink background. Align the image to the right side. Now set both ordered and unordered list text color to dark green. And make sure to close the style tag. Then close the head tag. Then in our body, let us add our main heading. Let our heading be spaghetti carbonara. And also make sure to close the heading properly. Now let us add our subheading. Let our subheading be ingredients. And also make sure to close it properly using /h3. Now let us insert an image using img src. To do that, go to the desired file, right click on it and select copy as path. Simply paste it after img src equal to. Make sure to set the width with 20% and height as 50%. Since we've already aligned it to the right side in the style tag, we do not need to write any code to align it to the right side in this. Now we will create a table. To make a row, we must use the tr tag and after each row, we must close the tr tag. Use the th tag to create the first row headings, that is ingredients and measurements. Make sure to close the table heading after each heading. After a row, make sure that you close the tr tag. Now use the td tag to fill the remaining rows with ingredients details such as spaghetti, garlic, eggs, cheese, black pepper, salt and olive oil along with their measurements. Did you guys know that spaghetti is a type of pasta shape? I mean, I really did not know that and I thought it was a separate dish from a different country. Well, until this video. Because I actually did some research on what spaghetti is and I found out that it's a type of pasta. Well, basically it's the shape of the pasta. Next, after the table, we will write the preparation steps. Now add another H3 heading and make it as preparation steps. Then we will create an ordered list for the steps using the OL tag. We do not close the OL tag immediately, because we need to include all the list items, that is li, inside it. Each step of the recipe is written as a list item and some of these items contain additional details. To organize these details clearly, we place an unordered list inside the li. Inside each step, we use an unordered list to describe sub-steps using the ul tag. This nesting helps structure the content properly and make it easier to read. For example, cooking the spaghetti and preparing the sauce. And the final touch is that we should make sure the lists are in green color, table has proper borders, image is aligned correctly, and headings have the correct colors. And that's it. You successfully created a simple cooking recipe web page using HTML. This is a great beginner project to understand HTML structure, CSS styling, table and lists. Try creating more recipe pages and improve your design step by step. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more beginner-friendly HTML tutorials. See you in the next video.